Well guys, I think that's the last rat on this farm. I've had I've lost count on your road, to be honest with you, but this will make a couple of good videos. I'm just going to go to this next farm that I was on last week, which is 3 miles from here, so see you shortly. Hey guys, the rat busters are back here again, just at this spot right near my house. I'm going to have maybe half an hour or so here. Been to that new spot, so had quite a few from up there, lost count, so hope you like this video. Well, that's the last rat of the night up this farm, right opposite my house. So don't forget, if you please, like, share and subscribe.